Look at them.
Beautiful.
No, come on. Don't bite the camera.
Hey, Lucy.
Hey, Lucy. Little rat.
Looks like he's trying to poop.
The brown one does.
Yeah.
You hear that? They're very deformed from the other. Okay, these two won't leave me alone.
Yeah.
Isn't that black one beautiful?
Yeah. Stunning. You gotta get down on your knees to get that nipple. Man, she is full. Hey, sweetheart.
Yes, she is. Look at that. Oh! Okay, is that Precious on my
Yes,
back?
it is.
Hey, Precious. Oh, no!
Uh-oh. Honey, are you okay?
Yeah. I was okay until Truffles jumped on my back, too. Look at this. Hi. Hey, little baby.
I didn't do anything. Don't you upset your mama. Oh, no. No. Okay, this isn't good. Weird. Totally upsetting. Get on.
Friendly little thing, isn't he?
It's a boy.
Is it a boy?
Yep.
Ah, shoot. What? Well, go get something to drink. Go get some milk.
Truffles. It's Precious.
Hi.
Come on, baby. Your mama's over there.
Don't push him away.
I'm afraid these guys are gonna...
Oh, here comes trouble.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Jewel, come on now, baby.
Okay.